Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will tell you about the history of America. Allah Almighty has created all human beings equally and has endowed them with many rights. These rights include the rights to life, the rights to happiness, the rights to freedom. There are many secrets to the success of any nation. No such nation develops, but behind it is the observance of the law, punctuality, cleanliness, and changes in the laws with the conditions. 27,000 years ago, this land had no name and no human being. There was a huge depression in the Atlantic Ocean on which the United States, Canada, and Mexico were formed about 15,000 years ago. Some geographical changes took place in the world. At that time, there were only a few people in Asia, Africa, and Europe. The area of Russia was Siberia, which is very cold. Nowadays, it was hot at that time. The Mongols lived here. The Mongols were always looking for food, but a drought 15,000 years ago made it difficult for them to live in the area. They traveled to the coast of Russia with the United States in search of food. There is an ocean between the United States and Russia called the Bering Sea. There are also small islands in this ocean. 15,000 years ago, when geographical changes took place, these islands would have accumulated ice. Because of this snow, the two countries became one. When the Mongols reached the coast of Russia, they crossed the solid ice and entered the United States. There they saw beautiful fields and beautiful scenery all around, and the weather was also hot. They loved this new world very much. They also found food and shelter here. They settled here a few centuries later when the land underwent further geographical changes. The weather became little warmer towards the Bering Sea and the ice began to melt. So America and Russia became two separate countries. The original homeland of these people who settled here 15,000 years ago was America. These people were flourishing in America. They were living their lives happily. Christopher Columbus was the first man to set on this land in 1442. He was in search of India, and India was then called India in Europe. In the 14th century, many Indian merchants went to Europe and many European merchants went to India, and India was considered a gold bird. The man who sent Christopher Columbus was the King of Spain. At that time, even before that, many rulers tried to find India but could not cross the African Sea. So Columbus thought that India would be on this side. He traveled for many months and finally reached the United States on November 14th, 1442. He saw red-skinned people because he was looking for Indian. That's why he named them Red Indian. But they didn't like it. They didn't even know that there were any other human settlements in the world. They considered America as their homeland. From thousands of kilometers away was Columbus an alien to them. Americans were very simple. They were frightened at first when they saw Columbus, but Columbus was very clever man. He gave them presents and entertained them. Some time later, when he returned to Spain, he took 6 of them with him to prove that he had discovered India. Columbus chained the people as soon as he arrived in Spain and presented to the Queen of Spain and told her that he had discovered India. Columbus returned to his place of discovery 2 years later, accompanied by a caravan of 40 ships, and this time with 100 on his return. And as soon as they reached Spain, they asked the queen to enslave them, but the queen refused to enslave them and ordered them to return to their homeland. When Columbus, the next time Columbus went to the United States, he freed them. In Europe, word spread that Columbus had found India, but Columbus did not know that it would soon the rumor will be proved wrong. When Vasco da Gama invaded India, people realized that Columbus was wrong when the rulers of Europe found that the Portuguese had found India. They should establish their colonies on the side sought by Columbus, and dispute arose between Spain, France over American rule on this land. And for years, Europeans have been coming to the United States and settling here. The settlement of Europeans here made the lives of the local miserable, killed a large number of local, and enslaved some during the 16th and 17th centuries. Large number of French, Spanish, and British immigrants settled in the United States. From 1607 to 1732, a total of 13 colonized areas were settled in the United States. In these 13 colonized areas, the American War of Independence gained independence from Britain and founded the USA. This battle was fought from 1765 to 1775. The first 10 years are also called the American Revolutions. The first European to settle in the United States were the Americans. The United States became fully independent on July 4, 1776, and George Washington became the first president. The Civil War broke out again in the United States in the mid 19th century between indigenous blacks and whites. Many Red Indians were killed in the Civil War in 1860. When Abraham Lincoln became president of the United States, so they played a key role in stopping these war and supporting the local people. Until the 20th century, the United States was not a very developed country. At that time, Britain was a superpower, but during the World War, the United Kingdom suffered a great loss and became economically destitute, thus shutting down a large number of factories in Europe. The United States took advantage of this. The goods that were first manufactured in Europe began to be manufactured in the United States, and the United States began to ship its goods to Europe and other countries. The United States also welcomed other countries. In this way, the United States became a powerful country. The United States also began to fear the Red Indians. They also began to give them wealth and other privileges. But the number of Red Indians is now very small. In the United States has the total of 50 states. It also has 50 stars in its flags. That is why the United States is also called the United States of America. The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C. Most Christians live in the United States. The national language is English. The United States is inhabited by people of all faiths. 73.7% Christians, 18.2% there are people who do not believe in any religion. Muslims 8.1%, 2.5% believer in the other religions, 2.1% Jews. The largest city in the United States is New York. The United States spread over an area of 3,796,742 square kilometers. The United States is third largest country in the world. The United States is also the third largest country in terms of populations. Its population is 3 to 54 million. The power of the United States can also be gauged from the facts that there is no country in the world that doesn't have an American naval fleet on its soil. The world's largest institutions, the World Bank, NATO power, the United Nations cannot function without the help of the United States. The United States is the king of today's world. The United States is the mother of invention. The United States has the most scientists in the world. A lot of research is done in the United States. Only 2% of the population in the United States engaged in the agriculture. There are too many crops. There are 4 crops a year. The United States has the largest naval force in the world. The fast food in the world is eaten in the United States. The American eats the most ice cream in the world. The largest burger in the world is eaten in the United States. The United States has 80,000 dams. The largest state in the United States is Alaska. The United States has the largest search engine in the world. The world's largest library is the United States. Virginia is the richest state in the United States. Baseball is the national sport in the United States. Wrestling, football, basketball are also played. The United States issues the highest number of student visa. The United States has turned everything upside down in the UK to make their own identity. Driving in the United States is done in a left hand, while in the United Kingdom, the right hand. Ex Welton is the richest woman in the United States with a $38.2 billion. Joe Biden is the 46th President of the United States. The United States has a presidential system.